Is your Watch Dogs 2 crashing, having a black screen, and launching issues? Well, this video is for you. Just before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam. On the top left, click Library, right click on your game, Properties, Install Files on the left panel, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might affect the launching issues, crashing, and black screen, and also everything that is related to that. Just go ahead and wait for it to finish, but once it's finished, go ahead and exit that out and relaunch the game. Now if the problem still persists, go ahead and right click on your game once more, hover up to Manage, Browse Local Files, right click on the executable file for the game. It should say application on a type right over here. Click Properties, Compatibility. Make sure to check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply, OK, and launch the game from the folder itself, and it should be fixed. Now if the game still persists to do that, go ahead and exit out. Right click on the arrow right over here. Right click on Steam, click Exit Steam. Once Exit Steam is out, go ahead and make sure to close everything Steam related. Open up your taskbar, Task Manager right over here, Process right over here, and right click any related Steam that you can find. Just go ahead and scroll down until you see everything is cleared for Steam. Right click and add tasks. Go ahead and exit out. Restart your PC, relaunch the game, and it should be fixed. Now, I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.